In a groundbreaking decision, a federal judge has granted permission for 4 West Virginia University football players to take the field this season, marking another pivotal chapter in the ongoing saga of challenges to the NCAA's stringent eligibility regulations. On Wednesday, U.S. District Judge John Preston Bailey issued a preliminary injunction in response to a lawsuit filed by 4 WVU athletes: defensive lineman Jimmori Robinson, running back Tye Edwards, safety Justin Harrington, and wide receiver Jeff Weimer. These players were initially barred from competition due to the NCAA's rule, limiting student athletes to 5 years of eligibility over 4 seasons. However, they argued that the time spent at non-NCAA junior colleges should not count against this time frame. This ruling comes amidst a flurry of legal battles across the nation, involving over 24 college football players contesting similar eligibility restrictions. Just 2 days prior, a federal court in California ruled against Southern Cal's offensive lineman DJ Wingfield and UCLA's wide receiver Caden Robinson, denying their requests to play this season. Judge Bailey's decision highlights a significant division in the legal landscape regarding athlete eligibility. In his ruling, he aligns with previous judgments that favored Vanderbilt quarterback Diego Pavia, Rutgers safety Jet Elad, and former Nevada wide receiver Cortez Braham Jr., now at Memphis. These cases collectively assert that the NCAA's eligibility rules have a commercial nature, thereby making them subject to antitrust scrutiny under the Sherman Act. Previously, in late 2023, Bailey sided with college basketball players who sought immediate eligibility after transferring for a second time, arguing that the NCAA's transfer rule waiver process violated federal antitrust laws. This underscores a shift in perspective on eligibility rules, which, in light of recent name, image, and likeness (NIL) compensation deals, are increasingly viewed through a commercial lens. The so-called House settlement, approved earlier this year, paved the way for schools to pay millions to their athletes, further solidifying the commercial aspect of athlete eligibility. Bailey noted that in the post-NIL era, eligibility rules are undeniably commercial, especially considering the financial implications for universities and players alike. At West Virginia, the 4 players have been absent from fall practices, with Weimer notably missing from the current roster. Among them, Jimmori Robinson stands out, having earned accolades as the American Athletic Conference's Defensive Player of the Year during his time at UTSA. His presence on the field could significantly bolster West Virginia's defense, which is undergoing a major overhaul under new head coach Rich Rodriguez. However, Robinson's eligibility remains shrouded in uncertainty. During court proceedings in Wheeling on Tuesday, an NCAA representative alleged academic issues at UTSA, a claim met with vague confirmation by Robinson's legal team. A spokesperson for West Virginia Athletics declined to comment on Bailey's ruling or Robinson's eligibility status, while an NCAA spokesperson did not respond to inquiries. This case not only underscores the complexities of NCAA eligibility rules, but also invites a broader conversation on the evolving relationship between college sports, commercial interests, and legal frameworks. As the dust settles, it remains to be seen how these developments will shape the future of collegiate athletics.